Number 5, the bar graph summarizes the charge in kilowatt hours a battery received each day for 15 days. For how many of these 15 days did the battery receive a charge of 0 kilowatt hours? Okay, so if I look down here, these are my kilowatt hours. I look for 0. There it is. Then I follow the bar graph up to find my number of days. And it says number of days up here is 6. So for 6 days out of the 15, the battery received 0 hours of charge. That's D, 6. So yeah, sometimes they have these on there that don't ask you to do any math. They just ask for your bar graph or histogram reading skills. Yeah. So if you see the term histogram on here and go, like, what is that? I haven't heard that one before. A histogram, it's a bar graph where they touch. It covers a range. That's the difference. They're going to touch. The bars are going to be touching each other. And they're going to cover a range like 0 to 10. This one's 10 to 20. This is 20 to 30, like that. And that bar is 0 to 10. That's the difference. So if you see something described as a histogram and you're like, oh, it looks like a bar graph to me, that may be why. But yeah, this is just a test to see if you can read a bar graph. And the answer is D, 6. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.